Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Carrie, and today we are understanding alimony in Texas. When most people think of divorce, property division and custody often come to mind. But one issue that frequently causes confusion in Texas is alimony, known in Texas as spousal maintenance. If you're considering a divorce or are already in the middle of one, it's essential to understand how Texas handles alimony, who qualifies, and how it's calculated. Unlike many other states, alimony in Texas is not automatic and can be tough to obtain. Texas law sets strict eligibility standards for receiving spousal maintenance. To even be considered, the requesting spouse must show they lack sufficient resources to meet their minimum reasonable needs. But that's only the first hurdle. The court also examines the length of the marriage, history of family violence, disabilities, and the recipient's ability to work or support themselves. Longer marriages, those over 10 years, are more likely to qualify, but even then, support is not guaranteed. When the court awards spousal maintenance, it will usually do so for a limited period. The goal is to provide temporary support while the recipient becomes financially self-sufficient. Judges may award monthly payments for 5, 7, or 10 years depending on the length of marriage and the specific circumstances. The maximum amount a court can order is $5,000 per month or 20% of the paying spouse's gross monthly income, whichever is less. Spouses often negotiate spousal support in mediation or through settlement, and the agreed upon terms can become enforceable in court. This type of support, known as contractual alimony, can be more flexible and tailored to both parties' needs. However, once it becomes part of the court order, failing to pay can result in wage garnishment or contempt. A common mistake people make is assuming alimony will either always be awarded or never be an option. Texas law provides a framework, but it ultimately depends on the specific facts of your case. That's why it's vital to go into the divorce process with realistic expectations and an experienced family law attorney at your side who understands how local judges apply these rules. The sooner you begin exploring the issue of spousal support, the more options you'll have. A strong legal strategy can help minimize your liability if you're paying, or help you build a compelling case if you're seeking support. Don't wait until it's too late to advocate for your financial well-being. If you're facing divorce in Texas and unsure about your spousal maintenance options, contact the Law Office of Bryan Fagan today. We're here to help you understand your rights and protect your financial future. Call now to schedule your free consultation, and we will see you in the next video.